In today's video, I'm going to teach you new Figma dark mode, how to use and turn on dark mode or light mode in Figma, Config 2025. If you spend long stretches designing, switching the interface to dark mode can reduce eye strain, improve contrast, and help your colors read more accurately against a neutral background. And when you're in a bright environment, light mode keeps things crisp and familiar. Let's walk through the quick toggle introduced with the latest Config 2025 update so you can pick what works best for you. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, head to the page or file you want to work on. It's helpful to have a design open so you can immediately see the interface switch as you change the theme. Next, look to the very top left of the Figma window and click the Figma logo. That opens the main menu that controls your app-wide settings. From there, choose Preferences. This section collects the everyday options you're likely to use, including interface theme, performance, and editor behavior. Inside Preferences, find Theme. This is where you decide between light and dark. Click Dark to turn on the new dark mode, or click Light to switch back at any time. The change applies instantly, so you'll see the Canvas Chrome panels and menus update right away. Your design content doesn't change, only the Figma interface does, so your colors, components, and exports remain exactly the way you created them. A couple of quick tips as you choose. Dark mode is especially comfortable when you're reviewing designs late at night, presenting on a projector in a dim room, or working with high contrast palettes. Light mode is great for bright offices, quick reviews, or when you're comparing colors that need a white reference around them. Remember, this is a personal setting. It affects what you see on your screen, not what collaborators see, and it won't alter the theme for anyone else in your team or organization. If the theme option doesn't appear right away, it usually shows up once the interface is fully loaded and you're in a file or workspace view where the main menu is available. Then follow the same path: Figma logo, Preferences, Theme, and choose Light or Dark. That's all there is to it. Open the Figma website, open your page, click the Figma logo, go to Preferences, pick Theme, and select Light or Dark. Enjoy designing in the mode that feels best for you.